Horses are athletes, and if they're not hydrated properly, they're going to have decreased performance. They may colic, they may get cramps, and so with the horse hydrator, it's been very effective in keeping them hydrated and at the top of their
get
game.
dehydrated, it leads to lack of performance, colic, and muscle cramps.
Before I was using horse hydrator, my horses weren't drinking as much. With the different waters, every state, every place actually you go, the water is going to be different. And with the horse hydrator, I've noticed that even after runs, my horses drink a lot more water and they've seemed to be more hydrated, and I don't have to worry about them getting dehydrated.
I've noticed out here on the road is that our tank has grown algae. We've had to bleach it out once a week. Since we've started using the horse hydrator, it has stayed crystal clear.
Well, every time we pull up to a new arena or a new location, you don't really know what kind of water is going to be there. Has it been turned off all year? Has it not been used recently? And I think it's good that it's finally been addressed. There's a product you can use to make sure that you and your horses are getting purified water for you to drink.
If you're worried about your water, the horse hydrator is for you. It works, it's very affordable, and I highly recommend it.